In this video, we're going to be learning about rotations. When you rotate a shape, you're going to turn it in a circle around the center. This question wants to know how many degrees you have to rotate the triangle before angle 2 replaces angle 3. On a triangle, there's 3 different angles. Remember, a full circle would be 360 degrees. So if you have 3 angles, you're going to divide 360 by 3, which is 120 degrees. So we would have to rotate 120 degrees counterclockwise to get angle 2 to match up with angle 3. Depending on how many angles or vertices the shape has, that will change how many degrees you need to rotate it before that angle will line up with the next one. Since a square has 4 sides, we would do 360 divided by 4, which means we'd have to rotate it 90 degrees. And since a pentagon has 5 sides, we would have to divide 360 by 5, which is 72.2 degrees. For our next example, we have to rotate the triangle 90 degrees clockwise about the origin, which is the point 0, 0 in the center of the graph. We're going to rotate each point on the corner of our triangle one at a time and then connect the dots to make our triangle. We're going to go clockwise, which is to the right around the origin. First, take one point and count how far it is down and over to the origin. Then turn that 90 degrees, which would be 1/4 of the way around a circle, so that we would line up the same distance on the next axis. That will be our new point. Do the same process for each vertex or corner of our shape. Find the point and count how far down and over to the origin, and then turn it 90 degrees to the right and go the same distance to find your new point. We're going to do this with the third angle. We're going to count how far over and down to the origin, rotate that 90 degrees to the right, and redraw the same distance to our new point. Once we've got all of the corners or vertices for that shape redrawn, we're going to connect those dots, and we have our shape rotated 90 degrees clockwise around the origin or center of the graph. Remember a couple of important points. As we're rotating, 90 degrees would be 1/4 of a circle, 180 degrees would be 1/2 of a circle, and 360 degrees would be a full circle, bringing you back where you started. Also, clockwise rotates to the right and counterclockwise rotates to the left.